Hi, my name is Maddie and I'm a Technical Officer here at UNSW's Design Futures Lab. UNSW's Design Futures Lab is a workshop that sits within the School of Built Environment, servicing students from a range of disciplines with the practical component of their coursework. The facilities that we have are wood workshop, metal, plastics, ceramics and plaster, robotics, advanced manufacturing and digital fabrication. The Digital Fabrication Lab has a range of laser cutters as well as a suite of 3D printers that cover plastic, resin, powder, ceramics. So with using this technology you can make pretty much anything you can think of. Our Advanced Manufacturing Lab has a large-scale industrial robot as well as 2 flatbed CNCs which we use across a range of disciplines to make things from furniture to site models and so much more. Our ceramics and plaster room houses 2 ceramic 3D printers as well as mould making facilities for use with plaster, gypsum cement and silicon moulding. Our plastics workspace was born out of a desire to create a closed loop for our workshop so that we can recycle all of our waste. We have a range of machines that help us grind and shred the plastic as well as mould it in our injection moulders and sheet press. We are part of the precious plastics movement and we're aiming to make our workshop as sustainable as possible. We also have more traditional woodshop and metal workshops. We are part of the UNSW Making Network, which once students are inducted, gives them access to a range of different makerspaces across the UNSW campuses. This is a really important part of the School of Built Environment as we try and foster this sense of community between our students as well as our teaching and research staff. We often have students from a range of year levels that get together and help each other out, often taking somewhat of a mentoring role. We can help students make a range of products, whether that be for real-world applications such as prosthetics or medical devices, as well as more innovative and creative products such as seaweed cutlery and colour-changing 3D printed coral, as well as everything in between. The really special thing about our facilities is the unique opportunity it gives students to get hands-on with a range of equipment they might not have used before, as well as learn through making.